Now the next topic is environmental conservation, our social responsibility. Means it is our responsibility. Why it is our responsibility is being focused in this session. Since existence of human, that means from when we have become available in on land, there is interrelationship between human and the environment. That's why it is our social responsibility, because it is a relationship from the existence of human being on the land. The humans stepped on the earth long after formation of earth, and our on the earth human being proved its superiority as compared to other animal with the help of characters like intelligence, memory, imaginary ability, etc. And human established dominance over the nature. Human utilize all the natural resources as much as possible. Means along the human, other character were also there, living character were also there on the land, but as compared to them, human was intelligent and having memory and imaginary ability, and for that he has utilized maximum natural resources as he can, and in an attempt to live a satisfactory life. Means we were the greedy one, and human kept on snatching from the nature as much as possible, and this lead to increase in problem. So this is the main reason that we should again make it proper. That's why it is our social responsibility. And from this entire scenario we can understand that human has crucial role in maintaining the environmental balance, because the disturbance in environment is due to us only. We are responsible for disturbed environment. If human has disturbed the environmental balance, then human itself only can conserve and improve the quality of the nature. Many times general public is unknown that its activity are harmful to environment, and thereby unknowingly many activities happen. This is also the fact. We are not we are not aware that what we are doing and how our activity is destroying the environment, but yet the environment is destroyed. So it is our social responsibility for environmental conservation.